is Motivated 3x3 Season 3. Let us start with our University Cup category.
Okay, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa Bacoor Strike Gymnasium, and here's Charles Baichong. Charles, go ahead.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, coming to you live here from Strike Gymnasium in Bacoor City, Cavite para sa ating Motivated 3x3 Influencer Cup Season 3. Charles Baichong here, Ryan Pajaro, and the game at hand natin, it's the battle between St. Dominic College of Asia Pikemen and the Perpetual Help Molino.
This is a rematch kung saan kanina nanalo ang St. Dominic by a close one at gustong rumesback dito ang Perpetual.
Makikita natin kung ang Perpetual ba ay makakabawi or ang St. Dominic will still remain undefeated after 3 games. Dahil pag-usapan lang ulit natin yung mga participating teams natin, St. Dominic College of Asia, Perpetual Help Molino, and ISHRM.
In Bacoor.
Oo. So lahat ng teams ngayon dito nakasali, puro mga eskwelahan dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. A couple of shot clock violations back-to-back from each team.
Maganda depensa kagad.
Oo.
Defense is the name of the game. And for sure, mag-a-adjust dito ng todo-todo ang Perpetual.
Bola ngayon ng Perpetual. Tadena will miss. Now it's Dakiwag wide open. And there you go, Edward Dakiwag. A very familiar name. The younger brother of Ed Dakiwag.
At ilang beses mo ito nakocover. If he's wide open, he will take it.
Lambino skying high, just coming up short on that layup. Michael Lambino with back-to-back best players of the game. And the block.
Sensational, ha?
Oo. Dakiwag, the offensive rebound, kicks it out. Wide open. At bola mapupunta sa Perpetual Molino.
Talagang nagmamature na ang St. Dominic sa kanilang offense at defense. They know how to pick their spots. They know when the ball will talbog. And at the same time, they know how their men will react on defense or offense.
8 seconds remaining on their shot clock. Lambino fights for the rebound and there's a foul underneath. Kanino yan itatawag?
That will be against Lambino.
Oo. Sinasabi ng ating referees, malaki ka na nga eh, nanunulak ka pa.
Gusto niya kasi makaposisyon eh. Gusto niya makakuha ng another offensive board.
And we've covered this guy for a long time ago, itong si Michael Lambino. Gusto lang talaga niya makuha. Very energetic player itong si Lambino, coming out from University of Luzon Golden Tigers. Now he will be playing for St. Dominic College of Asia Pikemen from Pangasinan to Cavite. Itong si Michael Lambino.
Transferring nga pala to. Yeah, I remember.
Lambino on the attack. And there's a foul. 4-2 is the score. Tignan ulit natin. Two-pointer.
Sa Perpetual, that's, I believe that's Jamila Villaruz.
Michael Lambino on the line. Laki na nang in-improve nitong si Michael Lambino from the time we started to cover him.
Especially yung free throw shooting, tsaka yung soft touch niya.
5 seconds on the shot clock for Perpetual Altas. Down to 1. Got off in time. Offensive rebound. Natatakot na silang sumaksak kay Lambino. Dakiwag, the defensive rebound.
So that's 2 missed shots for Perpetual on that offensive.
Oh! Edward Dakiwag, will that count? No, it won't.
So foul down ng Perpetual. That means it will be Pikemen ball.
Surprisingly, Perpetual in the lead right now. Nakita natin sa nakaraang dalawang laro ng St. Dominic, natatambakan kaagad nila yung kalaban. But now, unfamiliar territory para sa St. Dominic College of Asia Pikemen na sila yung naghahabol ngayon.
Oh! It's a two-pointer.
Lead is up to 5. Lambino Won't go. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Altas firing away. Wala pa din. Dakiwag the rebound. 3 is good, or make it 2 rather.
Bicep nyo.
Oh. 7-4 in favor of Perpetual.
So it will be a foul against Sepnyo on that screen roll play of Perpetual.
We wouldn't be surprised if this game would go down the wire.
Oo, kasi alam naman natin ng St. Dominic pagka nakita nila yung kalaban umaabante, they'll find their ways to score, especially down the stretch. Alam naman natin si Dakiwag, on the last 2 wins, he's been the most potent offensive weapon. And even in NCRAA, we covered, talagang maasahan siya sa opensa ng St. Dominic.
And that speaks about also, we give credit to the coaches of St. Dominic College of Asia Pikemen, Coach Bong de la Cruz. And now, bagong acquire nila, Coach Alvin Gray, who's my coach noong college sa Trinity University of Asia.
At dati rin siyang coach ng Nueva Ecija
Rice Vanguards.
Lights Vanguards.
So yung knowledge na makukuha mo from these coaches are just on a different level.
At kita mo naman yung si Dakiwag. What a different spin. He goes on the other side of the cycle.
That's correct. When your name is Dakiwag, you'll be athletic, to say the least.
And versatile also. Then he completes that free throw.
Now, Perpetual!
Erasure again, Charles.
There's Dakiwag hitting another long bomb.
That's a quick defense and offense for St. Dominic.
6-point lead para sa St. Dominic College of Asia. Dakiwag, the offensive rebound. Dakiwag on the move. Series of fakes. Everything but the shot for Edward Dakiwag.
Gandang galaw na naman.
Great defense coming from the Pikemen. Here's Lambino, the jab step, the finish, the reverse, and the foul! Wow!
Lambino, lumambiti na naman. Look at this slow-mo replay. Lambino, he saw the opening and he gets away via reverse.
Don't be deceived by his small frame, but he's lanky and athletic.
And a high leaper.
That's correct. And his game is just starting to be polished right now. Huli natin siyang na-cover.
Game has been involved, Charles.
Huli natin siyang na-cover sa NCRAA. Pulot-pulot siya, dirty work. But now, he's a threat offensively.
Oh my. And yan, nahahawa na yung teammate siya. Another 2-point shot.
Here come the Altas. Still couldn't buy a basket. Lambino the rebound. 10 seconds remaining. Lambino got doubled.
At dito matututunan ni Lambino, pagka nagtatrap siya, imbis na i-turn na lang, ipasa niya kagad. You will learn that.
Michael Lambino is gonna get his well-deserved rest.
Yeah.
14-4. Abante ngayon ng 10 ang St. Dominic College of Asia. Shamid Tadena has the ball. Down to 7. Tadena inside the basket and beyond. Flex on them, young fella.
Tingnan natin yung replay. Screen and roll play. He gets the reverse. And that's going to be an N1 play. Foul on Aaron Dahaw.
Let them know, Shamid. Let them know. Kahit malaki pang hinahabol dito ng Perpetual, still, they're still in this ball game. Hindi pa huli ang lahat para sa kanila.
Halfway point na tayo, Charles, in this game.
Less than 5 minutes remaining here in this game. 9-point deficit. 14-5. Wala pa tayo nakikitang nagta-time out dito, Ryan.
Oh, yes. At makikita natin dito sa St. Dominic, they need to not to be complacent. Kasi pag ganyan lamang minsan, they tend to relax, no?
A second remaining on the shot clock. Just gets it off in time, and there's a foul.
Another
on the
bailout foul.
That's against Joseph Timtiman.
At hindi yan knock-up shooting kasi that's coming from a screen.
Oo.
And Perpetual now has 5 team fouls. Dalawa pa lamang sa St. Dominic.
10 seconds remaining para dito sa Altas.
It's a miss by Villaruz.
The two-pointer has not been Perpetual Molino's friend all game long.
And they missed all their 5 shots actually.
Eto na naman ang Pikemen. They go inside. Lambino has the mismatch.
You know,
Oh!
you know what's improved for Lambino? Kasi pagka mga ganyang ceiling, lagi siyang bandaling itulak. Now, nakikita natin, he flexes muscles. Look at this replay. From that screen, he flexes muscles at the same time, ang galing niya mag-seal. Nakikita niya kung paano siya
Masama yung intention doon ni Michael Lambino. Here he is again. 5 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Perpetual has the leather right now. Still couldn't buy a basket. Here come the Pikemen, the crossover, the Sham God series of moves. Hindi pa rin. Lambino fighting for it.
He's really mature. He's not anymore complaining. He just play the game, ha? Kitang-kita.
Wala pa din para dito sa Pikemen from beyond the arc. 7 seconds to work with. John Dedal won't go. Lambino the rebound.
So far, the Perpetual missed the last 6 shots. Oh!
J.R. De Manuel striking it down from distance. 9 seconds remaining. Oh, and an unforced error para dito sa Pikemen. But with this kind of lead, they have the luxury of making mistakes. 16-5, 11-point lead with 3:03 remaining here in this game.
On the other hand, Perpetual, the time slowly not on their side.
7 on the shot clock. 11-point ball game. Good read coming from Edward Dakiwag. Edward Dakiwag putting his defender on a blender.
Hard to stop, hard to stop. He can go left, he can go right, he can blow by 2 or 3 defenders. He is indeed the leader of this team. Huh?
You know, itong player na to, si Edward Dakiwag, hindi talaga eye-popping yung kanyang mga galaw, but it's there. It's so efficient yung kanyang laro.
He gets the job done.
That's the most important part
Exactly.
after everything. As long as you get the job done, doesn't matter how it looks, doesn't matter how people see it, basta panalo. Yun na importante.
That's right.
And it's ballooned to 12 points ang kalamangan ng St. Dominic.
And they're just 4 points away for notching the 3rd win for the Pikemen.
Will the Pikemen remain undefeated?
What a pass!
3 points away from being undefeated. Itong St. Dominic College of Asia Pikemen. Dakiwag on the baseline. He spins, he attacks, and he gets fouled.
And he's smiling. He loved this game so much.
He's loving it. He's loving the time right now. Edward Dakiwag on the line.
And clearly,
If he makes these 2 free throws, isa na lang
correct.
ang kailangan nila para ma-secure ang pangatlong panalo.
And both him, Dakiwag and Lambino are the top 2 scorers for this game. Na naman, pareho sila.
27 is the score. A minute and 50 remaining.
Time is running out for Perpetual.
Can the Altas pull off a miracle? Still an 11-point ball game. Dakiwag on the attack. Kicks it out. 6 seconds remaining on the shot clock. He has to put it up for the win.
Woo!
Wala pa din yan. Thought about it. 5 seconds remaining.
Yes!
The basket! And that is it! St. Dominic College of Asia still undefeated. That last basket, courtesy of Aaron Dahao. Tignan naman natin yun.
Blow by.
A very dominant performance so far in this day.
And they are still untouched in this tournament, Charles.
Coach Bong is happy right now. Ma'am Grace is happy right now.
Oh.
Everyone from the Pikeman community
Oh, patiin na natin.
celebrating.
Yes, si Ma'am Grace, of course, si Dr. Rillo, Miss Emerita Sagala, Mayor Monte Andaman, si VP Pelia, and of course, the President, Dr. Gregorio Andanan Jr.
And that is the final score, 21-9 para sa St. Dominic laban sa Perpetual. Still undefeated. And stay tuned once again, everyone. Marami pa tayong laro. This is just the 7th game of today. Let's take a look at the highlights of
Actually,
a
the 8th game. Kasi
very dominant performance para dito sa St. Dominic College of Asia. Magbabalik po ang Motivated 3x3 Influencers Cup.